Step 6. Learn how to read your results and your dashboard. Adext offers you a customizable dashboard. You can choose the most relevant KPIs you wish to see for each of the smart campaigns you launch. Here are the KPIs you can choose. If you connected with a Facebook account, choose the KPIs you want to be shown. This is your dashboard. This message is from the AI, reporting the work it has done so far to achieve the results your dashboard will show. Afterwards, you'll find a section displaying the smart campaign data, the budget, which is divided equally for B and C, the optimization period, the activity log, the KPI top performance that the AI achieved, and its customization. This section shows you the KPI top performers, which are ad groups or ad sets that are focused on certain demographics. They're called micro-demographics. Within a same smart ad group, you will find demographics that are top performers. In this section, you'll see your KPI top performers. The best performing demographics for each KPI are called Adext champions and are marked with a crown icon. In the AI Performance Results section, you can consult in detail the results of each one of the demographics. The best Adext results that have beaten B will be highlighted in green, and the best results from the AI by KPI will be highlighted in purple. The results in purple and the demographics with a crown are the best results. They beat B and are the top AI results as well. You can customize your AI performance results, sorting it by relevance. Also, you can share the URL of your dashboard with other people and export it on CSV.